Hello YouTube! 今日は味玉の作り方を公開します。それ。
Okay, I'm going to show you how to prepare the ajitama to him.
それではまず準備するものです。氷水、ここ取って。
What to prepare is ice water.
と常温に戻した卵です。
Bring 2 eggs to room temperature. Bring before the boiling the eggs.
とあと温度計。
The thermometer. We use the noodle boil machine. At first, we make the boiled water. We put the 4 to 5 pieces in the basket. We boil the eggs 6 minutes. If you put in the place that is too boiling, it will break easy. We need to cool down until the 85 degrees. We put the eggs in the water. We need to switch on the timer. After 6 minutes, we need to cooling the egg. Like that. We need to mix the 2 times or 3 times. Eggs are hard to peel off if the water is not cold. We cool it down the 10 minutes, and then we take the ice, and then we started the peel the eggs. If you crack on the head and the bottom of the line, put the vertical line.
実践しますっていう。
はい。He show you.
このように。
It is like that. Put your thumb in the peel off, like that. He put his thumb in and peel off. It is like that. He tried to show you again the everything.
頭と下割ります。
He cracked the head and the bottom, and he make the vertical line now. It is easy to put the water to make the vertical line. He make now the vertical line, like that.
このまま親指を入れて。
He used his thumb and to peel off. After peel off, you put the water. The shell is the take off. You don't use the 30 seconds if you make the peel the egg. After we peel off, we put the sauce. We also peel off the thin skin, like that.
ピンボケしない。で、こっちに。
Then it is also put the sauce.
で、これを全部入れていきます。
はい。
こういう感じで触りながら。もうちょい引いて。あ、いいよ。
If the eggs float like this, use the kitchen paper.
で、ちょっと。
Like that. If you make it, the eggs change the color on top also. We make it like this. We put the chiller for 2 or 3 days. That's all. It is how to prepare the ajitama. See you.
See you. Hello YouTube. I am Shimayan. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Here is my introduction. I own and operate several ramen stores. If you have any content do you like to see future, please let me know in the comment. The URL for the Japanese channel is read this preparation. Okay.
OK。
なんて言うんでしたっけ？殻が取れるか。
殻が取れる。
殻が取れる。殻が取れるってなんて言うんだろう。ちょっと待ってください。
いいよ。